can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Currently trading above $4,451. We've seen Ethereum rally up by 82% over the last 1 year. Right now, market participants are waiting for that big move to the upside. When will Ethereum set new all-time highs? Ethereum has gotten to as high as $4,955 in this market cycle. We're waiting for that big pump to the upside. Will it be $6,000, $7,000? Maybe even Ethereum gets to as high as $12,000. In this video, we'll look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. When are we going to get to new all-time highs? How high can we go? We look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's greed in the market historically. When we get to extreme greed, that's when irrational behavior starts showing. When we get to extreme greed, that's when altcoins go parabolic. We're not yet in an altcoin season. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. We look at Ethereum's market cap, which is above $536 billion. And finally, we'll talk about Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, we expect Ethereum to go parabolic. So what's holding Bitcoin dominance from dumping? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 week, the altcoin market has been pumping. We've seen some altcoins show signs of life. Kick has had huge rallies over the last 1 week. BNB, Zcash. Right now, Ethereum is just up 1% over the last 1 week, but we're waiting for the big dog in the house. Ethereum is the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, and Ethereum could easily rally to new all-time highs at any point in time. Right now, Ethereum is consolidating around the previous all-time highs, and that's why we're waiting for that big pump to the upside. That will see Ethereum maybe getting to as high as $6,000, $7,000. Only time will tell. But one thing is sure, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. The higher we go, the more you want to start protecting yourself from the downside, because one thing is sure, the rally doesn't last forever. Yes, we're going to pump to higher prices. Yes, we might see Ethereum touching the $5,000 level from where we're currently trading. For Ethereum to get to as high as $5,000, we need it to pump by around 14%. Knowing how volatile the altcoin market can be, you never want to say never. A 14% move in the cryptocurrency market can happen in an hour, can happen in 5 minutes, can happen in the twinkle of an eye. But if we start going high, you're going to see a lot of irrational behavior in the market. If we start going high, you start seeing many market participants buying when there's extreme greed, buying the higher we go. And that's the wrong thing to do, guys. You're playing a game right here against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible. The game is to sell for as high as possible for some sweet profits. If you buy when there's fear, you can sell when there's greed. If you buy when the prices are low, you can sell when the prices are high. So the higher we go, the more you should be thinking of selling. The higher we go, the more your exit plan should activate. Because if you look at what Ethereum has been doing over the last few weeks, Ethereum has started pumping from the $1,395 level where it was trading on the 7th of April 2025. We've seen Ethereum rally to as high as $4,955. That's a 250% pump to the upside. Don't be shocked to see Ethereum over the next few days and the next few weeks continue pumping. If we get to the $6,000 level, Ethereum will be up 333% from that June 7 lows. If Ethereum gets to the $7,000 level, Ethereum will be up more than 400%. But don't get carried away, guys. Ethereum started this rally since June of 2022 when Ethereum was trading for as low as $898. That was on the 13th of June 2022. Since then, we've seen Ethereum first rally to as high as $4,000, get rejected here, rally again to $4,000 in December of 2024, get rejected there again. Right now in 2025, in the Q4 of 2025, market participants are excited. Q4 is always very bullish. Ethereum will pump to new all-time highs. Something just looks fishy. I won't be shocked, guys. We see Ethereum maybe just getting $6,000, and then the FOMO will be real. When Ethereum is $6,000, expect to see meme coins pumping. Expect to see Ethereum meme coins also having a nice time. Expect to see market participants expecting higher prices. At the top, nobody wants the rally to end. At the bottom, nobody wants the bear market to end. At the bottom, you start hearing we're going lower. The dump is not over. At the top, you start hearing we're going higher. The pump is not over. But one thing is sure, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. all you want to do is buy low and you want to sell high. Now we're waiting for Ethereum to blast past $4,955. That's the line in the sand. When Ethereum finally crossed that, you'll be hearing talks about new all-time highs. We'll all be singing Kumbaya. But the higher we go, the riskier it becomes, with Ethereum trading above the $4,455 level. Just about a 10% move would get us to new all-time highs. Ethereum's fully diluted market cap sits around $537 billion. Ethereum's all-time high came in on the 24th of August 2025. That was 1 month ago. We saw Ethereum trading for as high as $4,953. Right now, Ethereum is down 10% from that all-time highs. If you want to get some ETH for yourself, you can get some ETH on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Ethereum right there. Look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are greedy, but they are not yet in extreme greed. Extreme greed is when things start going parabolic. Extreme greed is when market participants start behaving irrationally. And I believe we're getting very, very close to that period of extreme greed. I believe we're going to see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market in Q4. But Q4 is going to be very, very interesting. The bulls and the bears are looking towards Q4. The bulls are expecting us to pump parabolically into Q4. Hopefully we'll see all-time highs all around the market in Q4. But again, the bears are around the corner, because immediately after the bull market, guys, the bear market starts. And if you cannot prepare for the bear market, you'll be left holding the bag. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not on an altcoin season, which is good to see. Historically, altcoin season is where the game comes to an end, but in altcoin season is when market participants buying, thinking there's still one final pump. Right now, the altcoin season index says we're not an altcoin season, and the only reason why we're being an altcoin season is 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 50% over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is up just 4.3%. Even though market participants are paying attention to Bitcoin, don't be shocked if the next few weeks you see all this attention shift to the altcoin market. You see those attention shift straight towards Ethereum. And if you see the attention shifting towards Ethereum, you expect Ethereum to be outperforming Bitcoin. If you see the attention shifting towards Ethereum, you're expecting Ethereum to be rallying crazily against Bitcoin. And if you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, that's what the chart is showing. Right now, Ethereum has been pumping against Bitcoin since the 22nd of April 2025. Westport had the pullback since the 24th of August 2025. Ethereum had a pullback against Bitcoin. We have seen it go sideways. Don't be shocked, guys. In the coming days and the coming weeks, you hear how market participants are flipping their Bitcoin to Ethereum, how Ethereum is the best thing since sliced bread. Ethereum could easily see a 20% pump to the upside to set new highs against Bitcoin, to trade at the highest prices we have seen since August of 2024. Things can get really, really naughty. Ethereum rallies up like 50% against Bitcoin. That was Ethereum trading at the 0.055 ratio level against Bitcoin. That will take Ethereum to higher prices not seen since June of 2024. Cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile. The altcoin market is even more volatile. Expect to see big pumps. Expect to see big rallies. If you look at Ethereum's market cap, which is around the $536 billion level, we could easily see it trade for as high as $600 billion from where we are currently trading. For Ethereum's market cap to get to the $600 billion level, we need to see Ethereum pumping by about 18%, which can happen very, very quickly. Bitcoin dominance sits around the 50% region. Bitcoin dominance will be one to watch for the next few days and the next few weeks. A big dump in Bitcoin dominance will mean capital is flowing straight to the altcoin market, will mean we're going for that final blow off top. Drop it out in the comment section, guys. Can Ethereum get to as high as $7,000? Are you still buying some Ethereum right now? More importantly, when will you be selling your ETH for some sweet profits? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.